Hey, what's up, AJT fam? This is take 2 of our recap today. This morning's one did not have sound, so I uploaded it, posted it, didn't have sound. Shame on me for not redoing it. But started this morning out with a message, a quick statement, something that needs to resonate. Let them go. And I'm going to say it again, and I'm going to say it louder for those of you that are sleeping in the back. Let them go. Let those losing trades go. Let those losing days or weeks go. Let those trading mistakes go. Let those pseudo friends who don't have your back in this, let them go. This is the time in your trading life that you can no longer grieve about what you've lost. The money you've lost, the time that you've lost, all of that stuff is gone. It's time to stand up and recognize that you don't need that anymore. It's gone. You don't need it. All you need to do is take what you have left, and that's more than enough to succeed. So let them go. Let all that stuff go. It's time for us to get ready. 2024 should be our best year. Now, for those of you that aren't members, just to give you an idea, and the members, this is what we've got coming up in 2024. Now, most of you know the first 90 days of trading, the trader mindset, Own Your Change, the Refocus program. We're adding the power of habit and routine. We're going to 2024, we're going to make the rest of your trading life the best of your trading life. That's what we're going to be doing in 2024. We have to rewire all of those connections that have been broken, that have been cross-wired, by bad information. It's all of that has to be taken care of before we can move forward. That's what we're doing in 2024. I don't have 20 anymore, but I do have some openings. We're going to get started here in the next week or so, getting ready for 2024. If you want to be a part of this is a lifetime commitment. Okay, you're not buying a subscription. I don't do that. It's a lifetime commitment. Once you pay, you're in. Start, stop, go away for 3 years. Go live on a deserted island for 3 years, come back ready to go. As long as I'm living, I'll be here. And you won't have to pay another dime. So that's what this is all about. That's my commitment to you. You commit to me, I commit to you, and we move forward. All right, one more announcement before we get into it. The first 90 days of trading, the book is finally coming. It took me a minute to get the trader mindset workbooks out. I had no idea I was going to get that big of an order, and man, it put me behind like 2 weeks. So I got that squared away. I'm caught up with that. The first 90 days of trading is the pre-order special. This is a book that it kind of goes along with the trader mindset program. So when you get this book, you also get access to the supplemental videos for each chapter. And all of that is a help. This is a unique book that focuses on a 4-step learning and mentoring process, personal learning and mentoring process that I used in my teaching days that helped me be as successful of a teacher as I was. I brought it into trading, and it turned my trading life around really early on. So that's how this book is written. And it's out. It's coming out now. The pre-order special, of course, once it starts shipping, the regular price kicks in. All right, so we're done with that. ENPH. Now I did a video on ENPH last night. I don't want to reiterate that or go back over it, explaining everything, but this is yesterday. And you can see we worked this yesterday like a charm. Left some on overnight, and that's what I talked about in the video. So coming into today, we're going to take a look at it. Let's see if I can get this blown up so we could see ENPH. And this is where we took profit yesterday. Now, we were trying to get 95. It pushed up to 94, couldn't get there. And so as we opened, I went ahead and took some off at 93. I had no idea what this thing was going to do. So I wanted to lighten up, take some profit off the table. Took some more off here. Didn't quite get to the final. It was 97.50 was my next target. We didn't get there. It pulled back. It bounced. I added and got to a target here. But I think what I did, I sold too much. I double clicked it and I ended up short 50 shares. So I had to rebuy it and then get back in and took profit here, but then had to stop out at break even. And you can see we didn't get any more today. So we maxed out ENPH. I mean, between yesterday and today, great job. I get criticized about trading stocks like ENPH, but guys, when you find them, and I told you how we did it last night on that video, you lock into it, and it can be an ATM you can go to for months. I don't know how many of you guys that were with me, you know, way back. You remember Roku? You remember SQ? I mean, these guys were killer. They were, you know, for months. That's what we do. We're day traders. So you got to keep that in mind. So we did have a couple of stocks that did not do well today. Microsoft fooled me out of the gate. You can see we went for the opening range breakout, got it over when it got over the pre-market high, but then it sold back off, lost everything, had to bail out on it. Meta started out really, really good, but I kind of screwed Meta up. Meta, great opening range breakdown here. Accidentally took all the profit off. I took the whole trade off. I didn't leave anything on. But it bounced, retested this, rejected it. So I got back in when we took out the low again. And it kind of stalled out here around 333. Or just before 333. And ended up stopping out here. So I decided I couldn't let it go. Couldn't let it go. Remember, not letting this losing trade go. I jumped back in it too soon and ended up giving back everything I made on this first trade. So you know, that's kind of one of the issues. If you can't let your losing trades go at that moment, you're going to recap them at the end of the day. So don't worry about it. Let it go, re-engage, and get back to work. You know, but I didn't do that here, so I kind of got messed up. Right now, we left it alone, and we came back to earnings this afternoon. PANW really messed us up. We were looking for this short. I was looking to grab this as soon as we took out the low here. There was so much, and we looked at this. I showed you the option flow. Let's see, where is it? Here it is, right here. I showed you all of this put buying. Look, 250, 240, 235. Look at all of this put buying. We knew it was going short. We knew most everybody was betting short. Yeah, we did have some calls over here. These were probably people that were hedging. So I knew what I wanted out of this stock. I knew what I wanted out of it. But this thing dropped $10 in like 1.2 seconds. There was no way I could get in this. No way I could get in this. And if I would have jumped in, yeah, I probably would have made money. But that is a no-no. You're jumping into a falling knife. I've seen people jump in this, and then 5 seconds later, they're thousands of dollars down. I mean, that's what happens. That's why you don't jump in something like that. So we had to wait. And I'm like, look, we put in this long wick. We practically came down and took out all of these, hit all of these calls puts. And I'm like, well, we're probably going to bounce here. So I bought, and it did pull back. It kind of held support. So I added and was able to take profit here at the 9. We basically did a reversal here. Okay, if you haven't figured it out, the aftermarket trades, the aftermarket earnings trades, we use the same strategies that we trade intraday. We use here, same strategies, same simple strategies, and we make money. So profit here, next profit target was the 20. The next profit is going to be the 50 if it gets there. Who knows? We may get some buying coming in and it runs up to 245. I mean, look at it, it's pushing. So this is not luck. This only happens once every blue moon. We do this every day. Some trades are better than others. Okay? But we do this every day. We stay focused. We stay consistent. That's what the trader mindset is all about. Developing that right mindset. Callousing your mind so that losing trades, losing days, making mistakes doesn't affect you. And you're able to come in, stay engaged, and keep working. That's what this is all about. So that's our day today. Really, really good day. We had a really good day yesterday. It's been a pretty good week. So if you guys that aren't members, if you want to learn, come in. Everything I teach, I do live and in color on live stream every day, every morning. And when we trade earnings in the afternoon, same thing in the afternoon. Stay down. Same thing in the afternoon. So check me out. If you want to email me, ed@averagejoetrader.org. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. But that's going to wrap it up for us today. We'll be back tomorrow and, ready to go. So be safe, and I'll see you in the morning.